And before I go, this hair is Ywigs clip-in extensions, deep curly, 20-inch, and it's giving what it was supposed to give for this tutorial. Not for too long, baby, because we about to do this hair, baby. Y'all ready to see what's on the hill? Are y'all ready to see what's on the hill? Don't click out this video because you don't want to see these results. You hear me? I don't want to do it, Lord. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm scared of these folks. I had to do it, Lord. I had to do it. Y'all, I done put them braids down. I ain't looking like a gremlin no more. I'm just playing. I'm still looking like one, but it ain't that bad. All right, ain't that bad. Anyway, let's see who about to put me in the game. This who about to put me in the game. Ywigs about to put me in the game, babe. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Cause I'm pretty. Y'all be talking about me. I know what I look like without a hairdo. Ywigs, okay? Thank you, Ywigs. Ywigs. What's in this goodie box? Ah! Okay, y'all, we got some tags. So here is 2 packs of deep curly 20-inch clip-ins extensions. Okay, y'all can't see that well, but this is 2 packs of clip-in extensions in deep curly, and I also have this baby, which is the Ponytail 22-inch deep curly as well, and it's 140 grams. It's actually let me put this down. It also came with a stocking cap, y'all, but I'm not gonna need that, so I ain't even about to pull it out for y'all. But let me show y'all this wrap. Let me show y'all this wrap. Okay. Ooh, this look like one of them hairdos. I'm about to be cute in like 20 minutes type, you know. Cute in 20 minutes. I'm coming, y'all. Okay, so boom. It's one of these babies. You know what I'm saying? Yo. So, ooh, okay. I'm struggling. Don't worry about it. Girl. Okay. Anyway, so this is a ponytail wrap. It's actually really pretty. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. So I've never actually installed one of these before, y'all. So this is gonna be very interesting to see how I do. But from my understanding, you take this part, clip it into the ponytail like such, and then wrap this as the base. So I'm excited to try this out. Like I said, my first time trying this out, so trial and error on camera. You might see a couple of bloopers, but for the most part, I'm about to get cute. I don't know if I'm gonna wet it or if I'm gonna keep it dry and big and messy, because I love messy hair. Like I said, I done took my braids down and I was looking like a gremlin. Still look like a gremlin, but this is like my hair out of a braid out from an old silk press. So this is what it's giving. But besides all of that, we're about to get right into the details of how I'm gonna get to the point of getting that on this. So I just want to say, if you was watching this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the little bell, ding ding, okay, so you can be notified when my next video is uploaded. Keep up with the gang, you know. That's all. Peace. Now that we have completed that, so it's time for the clip-ins. Again, with the 2 packs of clip-ins, it was 20 inches. Each pack came with a 6-inch weft clip, 4-inch weft clip, 3-inch weft clip, and two 2-inch weft clips. I mean, well, not 2-inch weft. I meant to say 2 clips weft. So what I did was I just went in order. I took the 2 6-clip wefts from each pack, put those in, and then follow suit with the 2 4, the 2 3, and then the 2 2s. So you'll see me installing those as of right now. And you want to take that end portion and bring it towards your face so that the hair can fall closer towards your face. And each track is going to lap over each other. So you kind of want to treat it as you're doing a quick weave or a sew in and just direct it towards your face. But for the most part, you're going to see how it comes together. And towards the end, I'm going to have a piece left over. And because I love fullness and I love big hair, I went in and I added it towards the middle. Just to kind of like, use all of my bundles, if you will say. But the curl pattern is gorgeous and very easy to put in. You can definitely do this at home yourself. As you can see, I'm getting very excited because this is like the fastest I have ever done a style. So I'm loving it. I'm a fan of the clip-ins. So just continue to watch, guys. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. I'll feel free. I will definitely get the answer to you guys. I am planning to reinstall these again. I said that in one of the clips, but I am going to try to install these in between my hair to see what kind of volume it can give my natural curl pattern. So I do look forward to trying that on myself. I might do a trial and error on YouTube, not sure yet. But yeah, just continue to watch, guys. Thank you. I could tell as I started to wrap the ponytail hair around, that it was going to be thick, and I didn't want it to be bulky and thick like that. So I took some bobby pins. So I only wrapped it around like halfway, and then I took bobby pins and kind of shaped it and molded it in place. But I think that was also one of the cons that I mentioned towards the end of the video, that I wish it wasn't so much hair on the portion that you had to wrap around the base, because it kind of gets out of hand, especially since it's curly hair. So that was a con for me, but for the most part, as you can tell, I made it work. And I did show you the textures. They are a bit different. If I had to do it again, I would get a shorter length in the ponytail wrap. I think I got a 22. I would have gotten like a 18 with the 20-inch bundles at the bottom, but it turned out fairly nice. I did off camera go and cut the ends. I'll mention that again at the end as well. I did go and cut the ends to kind of give it more of a layered look, but for the most part right now I'm just kind of like combing it out, give it more of a bushy and natural look, because I don't like the curls to look perfect. I kind of want them to look realistic as possible. So you'll see me do that, but just keep watching, guys. I am going to end up adding some water towards the end of the curls, because I wanted them to look more hydrated as opposed to just looking kind of dry. So I'm only going to use water. I'm not putting any products on the hair, so this will be the natural state of the hair. So just keep watching, guys. So put some water on the end, and this is the results of the curls. I'm gonna put water at the bottom. So guys, this is the finished results. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I definitely have some pros and some cons on this particular hairdo. Couldn't get it out, I was stuck. Let's start with the pros. The pros is that this hair is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Look at those curls. Now I only put water from this half down because I definitely wanted it to still be big, but I wanted to tame those ends and give them, you know, some hydration and give them a look. So another pro is that the clip ends the 2-packs were perfect. One would not have done the job for me personally, so 2 was perfect. This again is deep curly and 20-inch. And what else? I definitely love how convenient and fast it was for me to get this style done. I started on last night, and then I woke up today, of course, to get cute and finish the look for you guys. But like I said, it did not take me long at all. All I had to do was clip it in the back and wrap the ponytail and go. So, you know, it's fairly full. As you can see, it's really full. So again, those are my pros. on this particular hair. I haven't wore it long enough to say if it tangles or whatnot. I did get minimum shedding, but that's expected in my personal opinion with curly hair. So yeah, now the con. Yikes. Okay, so the actual ponytail wrap itself, not a fan of it, but a fan of it, if that makes sense. I like how convenient it was to get it up and get it going, but I also did not like how thick the wrap portion of the ponytail was. It wasn't easily manageable as far as like securing the ponytail. So and I feel like personally this part right here at the back it should have a clip to clip in to make sure it's not like flapping up and down. However, nobody's gonna notice that unless they're in my head. But as a stylist and as a YouTuber giving you guys this information, I personally would have liked to see a comb right there or something to help secure that portion of the ponytail. But it was honestly, that was like my only con with the situation. Like, I didn't like that at all, so I had to make sure I pinpointed that. But for the most part, like, I don't have no complaints because I'm cute in 20 minutes. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to finish getting dressed. But yeah, for the most part, I don't have any other cons. That was really pretty much the only con that I had with this particular install. This deep curly hair is gorgeous. I do personally want to try to blend it with my natural hair to see what it would look like, so I'll probably try that just with the clip-ins only. So again, this is Ywigs 2 packs of 20-inch clip-ins in deep curly, and this is a 22-inch wrap in deep curly. But another con, sorry, I had one more. I don't feel as if the curly hair at the top matches the curls at the bottom. I feel as if this right here is a tad, the ponytail wrap is a tad bit looser than the actual curls of the bundles. So that was another con that I noticed. But for the most part, it blends. And I do think that with styles like this, you know, having different textures give it more so like a natural look, because my texture in my hair is not all the same. So it works, but I had to let you know the con. But for the most part, I am done. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, if you laughed, if you was like excited to see the results, or if you just want to simply try it, give this a big thumbs up and head over to Ywigs. I'm going to put all of the information down below in the description box so you guys can get the deets. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified on my next video, girl. You know, so I'm over and out. Yeah. Bye, gang. Later. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey. Okay. 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 Ooh. Hey. First of all, I need to learn how to just get off the camera. I can never just get off the camera because I'll be feeling myself. But I'm gone for real this time. Oh. Also, because I did get a 22-inch in the ponytail, I'm gonna cut this a little bit, but I couldn't find my scissors or my razor, so I couldn't get the job done. But I would like to have layered it a little bit so it can give more of a, like, you know, like a, I can't explain it, whatever, more of a like layered look. Get what I'm saying? So yeah, because this is really, really long. So yeah, that's all. I'm done for real this time.